What is your full name?
So actually, my full name is Kamruzzaman Kajol, and my parents and friends, also neighbors, call me Kajol because it's my nickname. If you feel comfortable, you may call Kajol.
Okay, Mr. Kajol, are you working or studying?
Sir, right now I study at Rahat English Care.
At the beginning, I'm going to ask you some question about food. What's your favorite food?
Sir, actually, my favorite food is biryani because it's very delicious and tasty. That's why it's my favorite food.
Are there any foods you dislike?
Sir, actually, I dislike fast food because it's very unhealthy for my health and for my everything. That's why I all time avoid fast food. It's my dislike.
Well, when do you usually eat a meal?
Actually, I eat meal evening time and almost every day I dinner.
Do you prefer eating at home or eating out?
Most of the time I prefer dinner at home because homemade food is also good for our health, for our everything. That's why all time I prefer eating food at home.
Do you like ordering food online?
Yes, sir. Sometimes when I feel busy, that time I order online like Pathao and Food Panda, and it's very comfortable for me.
Do you think people today are more concerned about their health nowadays?
Yes, sir. Right now, all people are concerned for their health because health very important for human life. That's why every people concern their health.
Do you think it's important to know when to love and when not to love?
Sir, love is very important for our everything because when I went any place that time I try to all time love because love is look like wow. That's why love is very important.
Do you think it's important to have a sense of humor?
Yes, a sense of humor very important because whenever I will go any place that time I saw many things that time it's very knowledgeable for thinking.
What is your favorite room to study in at home?
Sir, my favorite study room, my living room because my living room is very charming and beautiful and peaceful. That's why it's my study room is very quiet.
Did you have any favorite color in your childhood?
Yes, sir. I had any one favorite color. It's color black because black color is very suitable for me. When I wear this type dress, that time make me happy.
Has your favorite color changed since you were a child?
Sir, no, sir. I have no change my color.
Okay, you have liked the same color as you were a child.
Yes, sir.
What will you do if you unfortunately get lost somewhere?
Sir, actually, few days ago, I lost my one pant. That time, I feel very sad because this pant was my favorite pant, and it's very suit me. That's why I feel sad when I lost my pant.
Which is more dangerous to you, a mobile phone without charge or a wallet without money?
Sir, actually, without money, very dangerous for me because without money, I won't survive my life and I won't go there any place. That's why I think with money back is very important for me for without charging phone.
Thank you, Mr. Kajol. This is the end of your test, and may Allah bless you with long life and endless success.
Thank you, sir.